Hi guys, for Hyderabadi Bakara Bangan Kasalan, for the masala portion you require at least 4 tablespoons of peanuts, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, half chopped dry coconut with a lemon size tamarind, and 1 tablespoon of dhania, tablespoon of zira, and 1 by 4 teaspoon of dry methi and sabat garam masala, as well as chopped onion, tomato. Just fry them all together in a heavy bottom pan until they are completely brown in color. Then grind them properly into a thick paste. Don't make it too runny. You can add required amount of salt, turmeric, chili powder, ginger garlic paste. Make it enough paste. Then make a plus shape slit with an intact stem on the brinjals. Then stuff the masala inside the brinjals, the required amount of masala. Then keep the remaining masala aside for gravy portion. Make a tadka with a pinch of hing. Fry all the brinjals until they are 50% done with a closed lid on a medium size flame. Finally add the remaining amount of masala, fry it for 4 more minutes, then add required amount of water, cook it for 15 minutes and you are done.